Good evening, YouTubes. Bubba's Fabrication here. We're going to be opening up and installing some of BMR'S upper and lower control arms for a 2000. Actually, let me take that back. I think it goes from a 94 to a 2004 Ford Mustang. So kind of this Mustang that's here. Open these up, let you guys take a look at them and see what your thoughts are. I currently have BMR'S front control arms on my car, and their build quality is absolutely outstanding. So we figured you'd do the same thing with the rear. And let's get all this junk out of here. Alright, so it looks like this is the probably lower control arms. Alright, so here's what the lower control arms look like. We've got the poly bushing here in the rear of the car, and then the Heim joint that's going to connect up higher. These are the on-car adjustable, so that it's a little bit easier for the alignment shop to get these set up rather than having to unconnect the side or one of the sides each time and spinning the whole joint. It's easier to have the on-car, and what that is just double adjustable side here. These should be a really good quality right now. I'm having a problem with my rear end binding up. I just switched to poly bushings on the rear, but what I found is it seems like the rear end's binding up. So went ahead and bit the bullet and bought these. I did get the upper and lower control arms. These are the lower. Obviously, the other side is going to be the exact same as these. And these in here must be the uppers. These uppers are going to contain one poly bushing that actually connects to the front side of the car, and then the rear side of the car that connects to the actual axle itself is going to connect to the axle bushing that you guys have set up. And just so you guys know, when you're looking on whatever website you decide to order these from, when you look at these, it's going to say that they're black. To me, they're almost more of like a hammered gray color, which I like even better than black anyway. So keep that in mind. I don't know if you guys can see that color very well, but it's more of like a hammered. It's got a hammered texture to it, which I actually really am fond of. One reason I really liked these is it's got greasable zerks on the poly bushings. Obviously the Heim joint isn't, and then the poly joint that's on the actual axle isn't, but it's great because I'll be able to service these for a long time and keep them lubed up. So that's one thing that I'm definitely excited about. If you guys are interested, I'll more than likely be doing an install video of these arms as well, so stay tuned for that. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment below. If you like this content, please, would love for you to subscribe as well. I'll be posting the link to where I purchased these from, as well as the price for them in the description below. Thanks guys, I hope you have a wonderful day.